Hey everyone, welcome to How to Rocket once again. In this video, let me tell you something. Most people use Android for years, absolutely, and yeah, in this video, definitely I'm not using Android phone, but yeah, there is no difference between Android and the files that I have using in my PC. But you will definitely understand what I mean and what you should do while using your file management apps if you are using Android. This video is not for Android users only, but definitely users who are using laptops and computers, still they can see this video as a reference. So most people use Android for years, but still don't know how to properly manage files, and that's why their phones become slow, messy, and full of junk. So today I will show you some Android phones management tips that 90% people miss. So first, stop using random file manager apps. Your phone already has a powerful one. Like here you can see I have just opened my file management app. Let me show you again. Here you can see at the bottom, this is the file explorer app of my laptop. Same app you can see if you are using Android phone. Obviously I don't have Android phone. That's why I'm using this tutorial in my laptop. So here you can see the file management apps of my laptop or Windows you can say. Let's open this, and here you can see this is the interface of my file management app. And yeah, first your phone already has a powerful one, files like Google Files by Google. That one also a good file management app. It can clean junk, find duplicates, and organize everything automatically. Most people ignore it, and big mistake. So second, use the search feature properly. Like here you can see search home option. You can literally search anything here. Like you can see here I'm searching here Kevin. I will find the file Kevin here. Yeah, it's working on it, and here you can see the file Kevin as I have already saved this file, and you don't need to waste your time finding that file here. You can directly search here, and you can get your file. Then mm, the third thing is you should check your download folders. Whatever you are downloading, you don't have to go inside the folders that you are uh, routed for your download. You can simply go to the downloads and you will find all the download things here. Then the fourth thing is find and delete duplicate files. So some photos, some videos, multiple copies, they silently eat your storage. Apps like Files by Google can detect them in one. I don't have Files by Google here, but you can definitely use Files by Google application. You can download it from your Play Store, and you can use it for the duplicate files. It automatically detects duplicate files, and you can delete it by using a single button. And the fifth one is the cloud storage. As you can see here, I don't have a cloud storage option here, but definitely if you are using Android device, then you will find the cloud storage option there. You can definitely use this. I guess you will get some 15 to 20 GB free for the first time if you are using this, and after that you will have to pay for the plan, and only then you can use or get more storage. Then the sixth thing is organize your files into folders. Don't just keep everything in one place. Create folders like work, personal. Like here you can see videos. In videos, we can generate another folder, name as a work. Here you can click on new and you can name a file like work, as you can see, and save. And that's it. This is how you can create files and use for your work and different tasks. So it makes your life 10x easier. So then seventh thing is clear WhatsApp media regularly. Apps like WhatsApp auto download everything, photos, videos, forwards. You can actually pause it in the WhatsApp storage setting itself, and you can clean it from WhatsApp app. This alone can free GBs of your space. Then the eighth thing that use sort by size. Yeah, this is the option here. You can see short option. You can sort your files by name, status, then date, and you can also find more option here, size and text as well. You can also keep your files by their order like ascending and descending. This way you can keep your files in the way you want to keep. Then the ninth option is don't keep applications files after installing apps. So once you install apps is useless. Delete it. Simple, but most people forget it. So most of the times, what happens? You have single work and you install that app, and due to some reason you don't remember to uninstall it, and this apps keeps pushing your storage, and you don't recall it. So just remember the applications that are you're not using. You must be uninstall that apps. Then. Finally, restart your phone and clear cache regularly. Not files, but temporarily junk helps your phone stay fast. So yeah, Android gives you full control, but only if you actually use it smartly. If your phone feels slow or storage is always full, it's not your phone's fault. It is file management. So try these tips today, and you'll literally feel the difference. So subscribe our channel for more simple tech tips like this.